Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. If you're new, please, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Now, today's video will be about pregnancy, labor and delivery in Jamaica, specifically at the Mandeville Regional Hospital. That's where I gave birth. If you're interested in this video, if you want to hear about my experience, please continue watching this video. So, the story goes, once upon a time, I was pregnanted. So, during my pregnancy, I never have no whole heap of pain, no whole heap of vomiting, no nothing. So, I remember it was a Saturday night. So, it was during the first no movement day. So, Angela, in the country, you don't have no movement. You have belly in front of me if you go to hospital. So, I sit down on this step this Saturday night. It was 1 week. We have 1 week left. 1 week before my due date. So I'm still on so I say, I'll be a bit tonight and done, man. 1 more week again. So said, so done. So they watch a movie till about 3 a.m. So I turn off the movie about 3 o'clock. So at 3:03 a.m. if you want pain on my back, and I say, and I say, I start feel pain now. I start feel, because I always hear people say when they're pregnant they feel back pain. So I say, imagine now, I reach a 9 months and now my back pain I go start. Can you imagine that? No, my back pain I go start. I say, see if I can lie down and sit now. Did they lie down again, lie down, feel it. About like 10 minutes after I feel again, I say, the back pain I come from. I want to go sleep. I did it, so I get up now. Knowing me, when I pregnant, all of my pregnancy, I exercise. So, get up now. Every time I feel the pain, I do some squats. Did them, I feel like I have diarrhea. I say, in the night, I don't want to sleep. Run go to the bathroom, run come back. Run go to the bathroom, run come back. Every time I feel the pain, I feel like I have diarrhea at the same time. So, to and from bathroom, 3 o'clock. So I say, wonder if the pain a contraction, because I don't feel nothing in my belly. So I say, I did think say contraction in your belly. Well, I don't know if I know your belly now, because I never feel nothing in my belly. So I feel my back pain I feel, right? So I say, let me time them. Let me time and see how much minutes apart them be. So we go, then they about 10 minutes apart, then go 8, and then go 5, and the time is a countdown, I say 4 o'clock, and I say, right, morning soon come, 5 o'clock, still I walk up and down, soldier in the house, I do my squats, and a few people, I mean, I wake up, nobody no come here and say, I don't want a false alarm, because it's not time yet, right? I don't want a false alarm, or I wake up nobody. So when it reach about 6:30, I say, can't take it no more. You feel the pain in my back and I say, no man. So I go to the hospital, go lie down. So I wake up everybody now at the house, and my mother-in-law said, what's time? She asked me how me I feel the pain, or I feel like I want the number 2. And I say, yes, and I say, baby, I come now, me know. So me I go now, and I say, Lord God, how me I go? Can I do this? And I say, me always hear people talk about how hard and how they feel like they would go again, and how they cuss in the labor room, and how pain and something. Did I try condition my mind, and I say, you can do this. You can, just like how you have to condition your mind, like how you're pregnant, condition your mind. You can do it. You can, enough people do it before you. That means what I say to myself. People younger than so like a girl, so little 15, 16-year-old do it. You must can do it too. So reach a hospital about it was 7:47. 7:40. Remember that time? 7:47. So then imagine me I feel back pain now, And nurse are gonna ask me question, ask me to tell him number. Give number, give name of this, name of that. And nurse have in front of him, Just I read the 5 paper, come here say, you can see me in a pain and you're gonna ask me the question there. Did they have me a feel? So then check me now to see how much we dilate. And I was at 5 centimeters. And then 8 o'clock, they checked me again and I was at 8 centimeters. So I hear the nurse say, don't you move fast, People, imagine this. It's a lockdown, hospital full, no beds available, no bed in a delivery room for people go on. So they never have never put me. I start fret. I see people that come out of the delivery room and if you go up and chair, go sit down. It did chaotic at that time. I don't know if I saw it stay now, but I know so much pregnant woman they come from that time. So I go in the delivery room 8:15. 8:15, yeah. So the nurse said, go up on the bed. Go up on the bed now. Expect, when you go far, when you see, I was showing yesterday, ease up so. Oh, God. When I go up on the bed, I saw me chop. Not even one pillow, so I said, nurse, the bed can't like push up for ease up my back. I can't lie down so flat. Why if you have baby so flat? The nurse said, ma, you better hold on by your foot there. You think I show you, And I said, oh, God. It's not proper. Anyway, then string me up and ting. So the nurse I say, how me feel? And I say, I feel like more than number 2. And I say, alright, baby, because I'm a rush, because they short staff enough people have been at the same time and thing. So 8:15, yes, that's when I went into the delivery room. Do they know? Make up my mind now and I say, girl, I got push now and I say, oh God, the pain I go feel I know. They didn't know and the nurse say, alright, push. They didn't push 1 or 2 times. I say, oh God. Yeah. Muscle up for you now and come here and say, pain I go hot you now. Yeah, the nurse say, your baby have enough hair, man. I say, hair? When my time from see the baby, I say, see head come out already. I said, what? He said, just one more push now. A push. Look, jump out. No pain. Allow me to condition my mind for. Allow me to tell myself how me go bear the pain and so. No pain. I said, no man. No pain me no feel. I mean, I always hear people say, when the placenta come out, how painful? Nope. No pain for me. Probably because it's exercise. I don't know if I that. So, after the baby come out now, I hear the nurse I say, come on man, cry. Say, never in my life ever pray so. I pray because the baby not cry. I guess there's something wrong with the baby. Because the umbilical cord, they tie around her neck. So it look like it affect her breathing. And I said, the baby now I'm crying. And I said, come on man, cry man. And I said, God, God do. I pray. And then me and she start crying. Oh God. The nurse give me hard, for the bonding thing with them. Take off, make you bonding the baby naked and stuff. But they have some good nurse and doctor at the Mandeville Regional. Some people have bad experience over there, but I did not. After that now, there's no bed to put me on with the baby. Let me see. In the delivery room, delivery. In the delivery room, I have to stay with my bag and my phone and my everything. And then somebody out of the ward did a half baby. Oh, by the way, nurse asked me, say, water the break? And I said, I don't know. We never have no water break, nothing. Before I went in though, I threw up a little bit, and I think that was the water. I'm not sure, but one thing I wish I knew before was that I was not supposed to brush your teeth. If you throw up before having baby, do not brush your teeth because the fluoride will spoil your teeth. I did not know that until after I was watching a TikTok video and saw it. So for me, them basically. So I put in fast teeth and all that something about. Do not brush your teeth with a toothpaste. Use warm water and baking soda, and then brush your teeth like half or after. I know somebody brush your teeth with a daily, make it stay. So anyway, get a bed because somebody did that. Go in the delivery room, so we switch over. So switch the bed. Then put me a high risk. It was a high risk ward. I don't mean a high risk, but I only bed was available. But other people have stung on chair. Girl get bed. I don't know no man, because I must say, when I sleep this Saturday night, my baby is Sunday. I'm tired. I'm hungry. Jeez, come like it's space for the baby come out there, food to go there. I eat, drink water. I eat something and then I go sleep. No, wait, like, I like, that's a lie. Wipe off the baby first, because they never clean him up good. Not my opinion, they never clean him up good. So I wipe him off, one thing, feed her, and then go sleep. Go sleep now. When we wake up, sleep long enough, like I will leave asleep. When we wake up, I say, oh God. I feel like you move from morning because it was a belly still big enough. So I feel belly now and I say, if you baby not move from morning. That's why the baby I don't beside me from the baby. But it was a good experience. And if you're going to the Mandeville hospital for your delivery, there's a nurse over there, she owes me $50. Because I went to buy water and she did not give me back her change. When I went up there, her shift was over and she went home. And she told nobody will give me $50. So, if you go, I just see her here, cane roll up in a one, braid in a one, go up so. Just tell her, say, Kira want her $50. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a good experience when you're having your child. If you had a bad experience, leave it in the comment section what your experience was like if you went in the public hospital. You know, say private hospital different, uptownish thing. Public hospital always have the bad story them and stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to live good, live healthy, and live colorful.